Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix an iPhone stuck on verifying update.
Fix 1. Check internet connection. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Turn Wi-Fi off and on again, or try another network. Step 3. Retry the update. Fix 2. Restart your iPhone. Step 1. Press and hold the side button and volume button, iPhone 10 or later, or just the side/top button, iPhone 8 or earlier. Step 2. Slide to power off. Step 3. Turn your iPhone back on and try updating again. Fix 3. Delete the update and re-download. Step 1. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Step 2. Find the iOS update file and tap Delete Update. Step 3. Go back to Settings, General, Software Update and download it again. Fix 4. Use iTunes/Finder to update. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to a computer. Step 2. Open iTunes, Windows/macOS Mojave or earlier, or Finder, macOS Catalina or later. Step 3. Select your iPhone and click Check for Update.